Welcome back. Here is your coach again, ready to go and ready to make it happen for you. Here is my assistant for today. We are again module 4, lesson 3. Today we have a word problem. Let's read this. A principal evenly distributes 6 reams of copy paper to eight fifth graders. How many reams of paper does each fifth grader receive? That's the first question. And then we have to explain. So, first we're going to say, what is it that's going to be divided? Well, we're going to divide 6 reams of paper. And let's label this as problem. So this is six reams of paper is going to be divided between 8 people. So there is how we set it up, my friends. So now let's get to it. Let's use some pictures here. If we can represent the 6, which is the 6 reams of paper, with a picture, we will do that. And let's do this kind of shape. So how many do we have? We have 6. 1. Let me do my infinite cloning. I love this feature, my friends. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go. No, wait, it's only 6, my friends. What am I thinking? There you go, it's 6. Okay, now we have those, and now we can do the next step. It's going to be divided into 8 things, 8 people. So each of these is going to be divided in 8 parts because this whole ream of paper has to be divided between 8. So that's going to be 4. That's going to be 8. So you know that this is going to be 8, 8. This is going to be 8, 8. This is 8 eighths, 8 eighths, and 8 eighths right here on the bottom, and 8 eighths. Now, why do we do that? Well, we do that because it's going to help us find the unit. When you add all this together, the denominator is the same. And when you multiply 8, or add, in this case, I'm going to multiply faster by adding faster by multiplying. So that's going to be 8 times 6 equals 48 eighths. Oh, look at that. So now we know what the unit form is, my friends. Let's write that down. So 6 divided by 8 written in unit form is going to be 48 eighths. What is divided by 8. So notice I just rewrote this division into this unit. This is the division expression. And this is called the unit form. Unit form. Why? Because it has the unit. This is the unit, eighths. So now what's the answer? The answer is going to be 48 divided by 8 equals 6 eighths. There you go. That's your answer there, my friend. 6 eighths. So now we have let me rewrite this. Let me rewrite the answer is 6 eighths. Now, this is not an improper fraction, so we are done with this problem. Now, we have to check if it's true. So we're going to rewrite the problem and say, okay, so here's the division. 6 divided by 8 equals 6 eighths. Okay? Now, we're going to check with multiplication. So when we multiply, we go backwards. This is what I want you to do. We're going to multiply those two, which is going to be 6 eighths times 8. And remember, when you have a whole number, the whole numbers always have a 1 on the bottom. So 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 1 equals 8. Oh, look at this. When you have 48 divided by the number 8, the answer is 6. 6 times 8 equals 48, and we have a remainder of 0. So we can conclude that our division is correct, or fraction. So this makes the sentence true. My friends, please watch this video. I cannot emphasize anymore. Find in yourself the talent that you already possess and get better at mathematics. Yes, I recommend it. Your coach, Mr. Magnifico, and we are done with this problem. Please read it again, do it again, watch it again, and feel proud of what you do, my friends. Signing out from Studify 20, your coach, the magnificent Magnifico.